Tonight we are digging deeper into the numbers of new daily COVID cases. And there are some encouraging signs. Cases are down from a mid-January peak in the greater Houston area. But there is a flip side. Investigative reporter Jeremy Rogowski also found out we are still way above the pre-winter surge.
We looked at the 7-day rolling average for daily new COVID cases. At its peak on January 15th, these Houston area counties were seeing more than 4,600 a day. Since then, the rolling average in greater Houston has dropped by 24%. The biggest decrease, 32% in Harris County. Health officials describe the numbers as getting slightly better. But for perspective, we also took a look back. Compared to Christmas, the current rolling average is 24% higher. We're 74% above Thanksgiving levels and a staggering 316% higher than a week before Halloween. Again, the numbers are headed in the right direction, health officials say, but they are cautiously optimistic about the trend.